guys, so really quick, I recorded this tutorial for you guys. So this is the look. I think it's really cute and it goes well with my outfit. But anyway, if you guys want to see how to get this look, then just stay tuned. First thing that we're going to do is prime our lids with Urban Decay's Primer Potion. Then I'm going to take my large chisel fluff brush from Coastal Scents and pick up Maui Bobby and spritz it with some Fix Plus and apply it to my lid. Next, I'm going to take my E35 brush from Sigma and pick up Smog and apply that to my crease. Then I'm going to take Twice Baked from my Sustainable palette and blend that into the outer corners of our crease. I'm just going to use a very light hand to blend. Next, I'm going to take Oil Slick and tap a little bit into the outer edge of our crease and lightly blend it out. Then I'm going to go back with Twice Baked and go over the black just so it wouldn't be so harsh and blend it a bit upward. Then I'm going to take Sin and apply that as a highlight with the same brush. Then I'm going to take my 24/7 pencil in 0 and line my lower lash line in waterline. Then with an angle brush, I'm taking Truffle from Coastal Scents and applying that to my lid, my upper lash line. Then I'm going to dip into Oil Slick and set Truffle with it so it'll be a little black brown. Then I'm going to take my Covergirl Mascara in Black Pearl and apply it to my top and bottom lashes. And that is the look.